Hope you are fine and welcome to our YouTube channel. Mzito J is the YouTube channel. And today we are going to take you through a short process of preparing fish the African way. In most African communities, tilapia is the preferred type of fish. In this video, you can see here tilapia from a lake in Kenya, Lake Naivasha. So the fish is being prepared. The first process, of course, after the fish has been gotten out of water, it is washed, and here it is in the process of washing. As you can see, most of the fish here, they've been cut the cover to the gills. Okay, there is a simple process that local fishermen or fishmongers use. In this case, they are trying to prove to us that the fish is fresh or not fresh. So they cut that piece that covers the, I don't know, please, on the comment section, give me the right name for the part that has been cut off in the fish that covers the gills. So they want to expose the gills so that you can see if the fish is fresh. In this case, the fish, the fish is not very fresh. It has taken some time. It's edible, still edible, but not very fresh, because the gills does not have a lot of blood. It should be very red. When the fish is very red, these ladies here say it's fresh. Now that this one is a bit fading, the color of blood in the gills is a bit fading, so they claim it's not very fresh. But we have to. It's edible anyway, so we'll proceed with it. As you can see, they are very thorough in washing the fish, which is remarkable because they will prepare it when it is very clean. Now, the cost of such size of a fish, here a fish is sold in terms of sizes. The cost of such size is around $2. That's around 300 Kenyan shillings. Of course, you have to pay the women here who are washing and cooking it. They will have to pay around 50 shillings. That's like 1/3 of $1. They are very keen in washing the fish. Now, just the process of cleaning, it will learn for some time. Please watch the video to the end, because we are going to reveal the secrets of how fish is prepared in the African way. For this case, it is still washing the fish. They took some time washing the fish because it has to be very clean. They're experts in doing their work. That's why they are going this extra mile of ensuring the fish is very clean. They use several steps in cleaning it so that you can enjoy the meal. Most cases here in Africa, fish is eaten alongside their staple meal, which is ugali, which is a mixture of cornstarch and water. Now we are trying to inquire about the fish a bit. She is very kind in explaining. There is this type of kind of a bird. This bird feeds on fish. That's why it's here, trying to scavenge for the fish intestines that are thrown away. Okay, here is along the beach where the fish is gotten from the lake. Then it's slaughtered here before it's being cooked. So there are three different types of fish here on the table. You can see there is the one they call catfish, common carp, and the tilapia. Of course, tilapia is the most popular. Now you can see there is already a meal that has been prepared for someone. Now he's trying to split the fish so that when cooking, the cooking oil can penetrate. Here fish is being fried using cooking oil, hot cooking oil. The bigger one is the common carp type of fish. She's very keen in slicing the fish. Slicing it this way makes it even easier to eat because it becomes, you can just pick the slices. That one being hanged there, they are being dried. Not dry, trying to strain some water out of it. That's why they hang them that way. It becomes easier when fish is hung that way and the water drains out. When it comes to frying, it becomes a bit easier because oil does not splash all over. We put quite some fish here. We put around 10 pieces, and each piece was around $2. So 10 pieces was about $20. Now this is the way it is being fried. This is a frying pan filled with oil, then firewood is lit, leading to high temperatures, around 250 degrees Celsius. This is the way fish is being cooked in Africa, most parts of Africa. Now here it will cook for some time in that hot oil until it forms some crunchy taste. Now this is basically the main way it's being cooked. it will fry this way in hot oil for like, I can say around 10 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. From there it can be served right away with ugali, or it may be, they call it wet fry. You can cut some spices like onions, tomatoes, then form a paste, then put the fish on top of it with small amount of water. That way they call it wet fry. I'll show you some wet fry. Please watch the video to the end. And please remember to subscribe so the channel can grow out for us to continue showcasing similar videos. Okay, now he's preparing the tomatoes for the wet fry, the one I was speaking about. The wet fry, they will add some soup and let it simmer with vegetables, which is onions and tomatoes. This kitchen is a bit busy. Now this is the end product. After being deep fried, this is how it looks. Now this is crunchy, ready to eat. Now this is very ready to eat. With ugali, this is now the ugali, the white thing, and this is fish.